been gone for a while. I've been having a whole lot of stuff going on. I'm getting my own business started. So that's a whole nother world right now. So that's very, very difficult on me. But right now I'm sitting inside the car, letting it warm up because it has been sitting a couple of days. I really don't drive the car a lot. So whenever I do drive it, I try to let it warm up a little bit, which it really needs to warm up a lot more than what I really do. But stage 2, new spark plugs, new coil pack. So the car is running very, very smoothly. It pops a lot. Like, that's what I'm enjoying about it. Like, most people are saying, like, yo, that's gonna get old real fast. It ain't got old yet. So I'm definitely gonna enjoy that. Right now, today, I'm taking the car to the window tint shop to get more tint on the car. Front window tint. Like, I can see throughout my car. Whenever I get out, when I get to where I'm going, I'll show you what I'm talking about. But you can see straight inside my car, which I'm really not used to that. I didn't have that in my scat pack on my Charger. So I'm gonna go get that done. I don't drive the car enough to be getting messed with by cops. So it is what it is. I'm just gonna go get it done. Carolina's finest window tint. Thank you for the appointment. If y'all know, then y'all know, bro. Indian Trail, best place to go. Plug y'all in. If y'all need some, you know what I'm saying, call them, let them know, like, yo, Cody sent me. Boom. They're gonna look out for the cookout. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go get some breakfast. Hey, Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna go get some Chick-fil-A, head to the shop, and then let's get my window tinted to see what the car looks like with the front window tint, before and after, because right now it's definitely bare. I definitely need some tints on the car. So give me a second. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. So you can see my side windows are pretty dark. You gotta get up close and see inside. But dark, extra dark. And then you get around to the front. The only reason you can't see right now is because of the glare. But usually you can see straight through the car. And that's not good. So we're gonna get some window tint on the front windshield today. See what that's looking like. It's already dark, but it needs darker. That's only because I got 5% on all the way around. Just got her back. Let's see if y'all can tell the difference. One with the 55% up front. Got the tint all the way around. I think it's gonna make a big difference. You can't see nothing. But y'all know where to go to. Carolina's finest, Indian Trail, North Carolina. One of the best tint shops around. Got me in and out about 40, 45 minutes. So let's get some pulls in this thing and head to the crib. So y'all seen the tints on the car, got 55% on the front. Yes, you can tell the difference. Is it a big difference? No, not really. But me driving down the road with the sun coming in the car, it definitely will make a big, big difference. I put it up on my Instagram. Why do I set my hat like that? I put it on my Instagram not too long ago. I think it was yesterday. Do y'all want me to give away a car? What do y'all want the next giveaway to be? Like, I'm thinking about building a car with my boy Russell _ or Toro _ 704. His real name is Russell, but Thinking about building a car and giving it away on the channel. What y'all think about that? Would y'all want me to get an F90? I'm thinking about trading this in and getting an F90. That would be dope. But y'all just let me know what y'all want to see on the channel. I'm willing to do. Oh my God. Oh man, bro, this car is fun. This car is fun. But I'm thinking about trading it in, getting the F90 just to get a newer body style, a new year. Because the F90s came out in 2018, so just let me know what y'all think, bro. I'm thinking about a lot of stuff. I got a lot of stuff on my mind, a lot of stuff on my plate. This new tune is can't even speak. Let me get a roll real quick, little 40. Oh my God, bruh. Oh my God. Hey, I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.